Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert your Ola Money wallet balance into Amazon Pay balance. There is no direct way, so I'm going to purchase an Amazon gift card, and you can't purchase Amazon gift card from Ola, so I'll show you in this video. Please follow the video till end. If you are visiting my channel for first time, please subscribe and click on bell icon to get notifications. And let's move on to the topic. This is the website I'm talking about, Zingoi. This link is given in the description below, and you just can't go and purchase Amazon gift card because you won't get a Ola Money option. Indirectly we have to do that thing, so please watch carefully. Now I'm going to purchase this Jingoi gift card, this website's own gift card. This one we can purchase using Ola Money. I'll show you. See, I just used it and I'm removing this 1 rupee which is in my wallet. I got that 1 rupee by doing some shopping transaction, which is a leftover money. Actually, I'm removing it. Now I'm going to pay for this 500 rupees Jingoi gift card using Ola Money. You can see various options are available. 500 into 1 quantity of Jingoi gift card I'm purchasing. I have more than 500 rupees in my wallet, but I'm just to show you guys, I'm purchasing 500 rupees for now. I selected Ola Money. And one more thing I forgot to tell you is you have to sign up in Jingoi using this. You have to sign up in Jingoi using the mobile number which is registered in Ola. Then only it is possible. And these guys updated their security. Instead of sending OTP directly to your mobile number, now they are sending the link which will take you to Ola application, and it will show the OTP in Ola application. So my internet is a little bit slow, it is taking some time. OTP is this one. I'm keying in the OTP. And clicking verify and pay. Immediately it will take from my wallet balance, I guess. Yeah, it took from my wallet balance. And order placed successfully. You can go to my orders, or else you can open the details of this order from this page itself. These are the two things you needed. This is the pin, this is the code. Now I'm going to copy this code. I'm just opening the same website in new tab. Now you can go and take the Amazon gift card using this gift card. I'm going to show that one as well. Say I'm going to purchase this one, and here this 10 days buyer protection is like if you purchase any gift card from this website and if it doesn't work within 10 days, they will replace it. You can read it here clearly. So this is the 500 rupees worth Amazon gift card I'm going to purchase. I'm just clicking proceed to pay. See here, Zingoi gift card option is available. You just need to paste that gift card code in the first box, and you have to paste the pin number in the second box and click add. Now you will get a prompt like this, done. You can see pay now amount became 0. That means it took the gift card amount, and upon clicking that pay button, order got successfully placed. Sometimes you will get the instantly gift card, but sometimes it may take 15-20 minutes to get gift card delivered to your email address. Even if you didn't receive a email, you can just go to your orders, my order section, and you can see this gift card by clicking on order details. You just need to go to amazon.com and you have to add this gift card so that it will be showing in your Amazon Pay balance. So now I'm going to show you how to add that one as well. Just open Amazon website using the link provided in the description below and log in with your credentials. You will be landed in on this page. You just need to type that gift card number, which is alphanumerical one, that is code here. PIN number is just for identification purpose, which is not useful in case of Amazon. You just need to paste that code here, and that's it. Once I click on add to my balance, successfully added. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please share this video with your friends and family. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. That's all for this video.